so good. Quick lick, quick lick. Oh. Alright, let's get these links out. We are back live. Yo, what up, Bodex Goku? How you doing? How you doing? Give me a sec. I just gotta get everything sent, and then it'll all be good. Yo, okay, I was about to say, why does it sound like it's moving? Yo, what's good? Faha? What up, what up? How you guys doing? Just give me a sec here. I need to alert all the channels that I'm live. Probably my least favorite part of this. Got locked out. What does that mean? Like done for the day, or like it's over, it's over. Oh, okay. Yo, what up, Pew? Oh my god, what a candle. Holy. Do I take this 1 minute inversion? This is kind of crazy, no? It is a 1 minute inversion on NQ, but barely. It's like a 2-point inversion. That's what I'm saying, bruh. Yo, what good? What up? What up? Like, what the fuck? What is this, dude? How was anyone supposed to enter off candles like this? Let me know if the music's too loud. I can always turn that shit down. Or actually, I think this is what it's doing. The fucking clicking, bro. Like, bro, we're just gonna casually bounce 60 points in one candle. Like, dude, are you serious right now? That's insane. Also, damn, y'all got in here fast. Unfortunate. It's like these like such hard candles to trade. I need something. I need smaller ones. While we do this, set a buy limit to get the copy trader up. Now we don't have a delay. My voice is a little low. It just might be me talking quiet. I'm not gonna lie. What about that? It's probably just me talking quiet because it's early and I just woke up like 10 minutes ago. Alright, let me send these levels to the disky while the market decides to, do what it gotta do. Q levels. Here are my levels for the day. Honestly, with how bullish the market is, I feel like longs all the way are the move. Afternoon, oh damn. Where are you from? Afternoon. It's not the East Coast either. Oh, you're probably London. Asia is pretty good too. I want to go to Asia so bad. It's like my top one place I want to visit right now. But I gotta start getting these payouts if I want to travel. Dang it. India. Oh, it's fun. I've never been to India. A lot of my coworkers go there though. They say it's lit. I'm like, hey, maybe I'll pull up one day. Dang, look at that rejection. Oh, ES is just zooming. Look at ES. ES not a care in the world right now. It's just pumping. Very interesting why NQ had the sell-off. Shh, don't look at the number of accounts. I literally, I just had the same accounts just like sitting here. I don't even trade most of them most of the time. But yes, it is 16, I think. 15, I think it's 15 accounts. 3, 5, 5, 5, yeah. I've had these accounts for a really long time though. I think it's been like weeks and weeks, and I'm just, you know, they just be sitting. Damn, this is a 1-minute inversion play. Dang it. But it would have been bad because I'm still above RTH. Oh, but it would close below RTH on TradingView. Oh, in other words, this would have been an A+. Dang it. I could have been done for the day already. What the? Oh well. What about giveaway? Giveaway's on my Instagram, bro. Or my Discord. What do you mean, what about giveaway? They're already live. There's nothing I could do about them. It's just a waiting game for y'all now. I'll announce it after this stream. Hello? Usually I try to give my accounts in like like a week, but these ones I've just been going extra slow. Don't ask me why. These ones have just taken me hella long, but usually I try to pass them within the first few days because I just want to trade them funded, you know. Damn, I wish I'd taken this. If I had looked at my trading view, I probably would have. Unlucky. We do have some trend line liquidity, even though we kind of broke it here, but honestly, did we resweep previous day high? We did sweep it right at open. Whoa. Oh, if this inverses, I'm gonna take this. Oh, dang, that's just massive. What the fuck? But again, this isn't sweep, but this is coming off of 1. I don't know. I don't really like playing 1 minute 1 minute gap holds, but it might just be a sit patiently. Wait. Where did my chat go? There we go. What strat do you use? Oh my god, this is the FOMO is gonna be real today. I use well, a little bit ICT, a little bit of support and resistance. That's my two main money makers. So with these levels are support and resistance levels, and then I just base my entries off of inversion, fair value gaps, and then a little bit of SMT, a little bit of all that stuff, you know what I mean? If you don't know ICT, what I just said just made absolutely no sense, but yeah. Dude, that is kind of tilt inducing, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, 1 minute time frame. This was also a 2-minute inversion. And then, what is that? Like a 70-point stop? That's just insane, dude. There's no way. And now we'll just wait. Here comes previous all-time highs. Damn, sorry, bro. Just gotta be patient. You can make it back. Ugh, 50K count? Only a quarter drawdown, you could definitely make it back. Just gotta be patient, wait for the right setups. Well, it might be a no trade kind of day. Especially if this just keeps going up. What the? Dude. That's valid. You trade forex before? Futures is kind of like, I feel like futures is more simple. Damn, bro. Oh. This kind of sucks. Oh, so you're just new in general, not new to futures. Okay, that's kind of different. Then yeah, you got nothing to worry about, bro. Just gotta enjoy the journey. This is only 80 points? What the fuck? Bruh. Bruh. What is going on? Just straight mooning? Damn, it sucks. It's literally insane. This move is insane. Not really. Financial juice is just blank right now, so just our bull market things. Nothing like the market going straight up for the 600th day in a row. Yo, what? Come on. No. Oh my god, they're going on a massive run. Holy fuck. How you started my trade? It was just through my friend. One of my friends who's a trader kind of introduced me to it. He was like, yo, this is how he makes money on the side, and I was like, whoa, that's kind of cool. And the rest was history. Hey, a win's a win, bro. Yeah, a lot of it was literally just my friends saying, hey, you should start it. And then I was a complete degen at first. uh Damn, bro.
Seeing US stocks extending gains, the Russell 2000 index rising 2.2%.
Yeah, you should be able to hear the news in the background. Do I sell courses? No, that is the one thing I kind of refuse to do. No courses from me, as of for now. I don't know. I just feel like it takes so much time. I don't really have that kind of time. So I can't really do it. I also just don't think I'd be able to provide any value from anything that you can't already find online, which is kind of my big, like, hater reason for it. I kind of want to take this, but dude, it's so bullish. Oh no, I can't. That's just such a bad one. I think he's still going strong. I've been talking to him. He is the one exception right now. Uh, we talking. He'd been trading.
UK German bonds gained.
I don't know how he's been doing this week, but
to about 4.89%.
actually he might be done for the day. I don't know. But yeah, he's good. He's doing good. He's been growing the account.
So right at the top of the hour, we give US existing home sales data for May. Forecast for the existing home sales 4.07 million, prior 4.02 million, with a range of 4.14 million to 4 million. And US existing home sales forecast 1.1%, prior 0.2%. US wholesale inventories month-to-month revised forecast 0.6%, prior 0.5%. US wholesale sales month-to-month forecast 1.2%, prior 2.8%.
get a 2-minute closure here? Dude, this is some of the largest. Actually, this one wouldn't be too bad. No, pull up, pull up.
Order submitted.
I want in right here.
Order failed.
Oh, it actually did. And then my stops right at the gap. Right here. Nice.
According to Mino Bakker on X, citing Kepler data, says covert tank operations
I'm gonna go
have
BE
successfully
here.
cracked Kuwait's 2-month export freeze, triggering a significant inventory draw at Mina al-Amadi as
Target
operators
filled.
start transits to bypass.
Bang! I was gonna extend the take profit all the way to here for 50, but that was literally top tick entry right there. Yo, what up? Good morning, Tris. Just missed a banger. Probably could have went down for lower, but how many points was that? Like 32? 32 points. Not too bad, not too bad. Damn. We taking instant TP dubs? Sheesh, gang. Who are we? And now we're below RTH. Damn, that seems like a lot more. That was the difference between here and here was 50 points. That's crazy. 80 to 48, which is 32, and then down here is 32. So it is, I guess that is 10 points. 42 versus 50. That's chill. W's in the chat, gang. That was quick. That was like 10 seconds. Wait, how is that even possible? I went in with 4. Right? Shouldn't it be more? $8 times 42? Isn't that what? Oh, 32 points. Dang it. I was like, well, my P&L is way off. But dang, I want a re-entry here. No, the re-entry would have been here. Yeah, that was on 5 accounts. You can see the P&L right here. Damn it, I was too slow. I missed. Yeah, now I think we just have to wait. I think if I wanted that entry, I would have had to take it right here, right at RTH VWAP. Now we just gotta wait for something else to set up. Damn, that was pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie. I can't believe that was only 32-point win. It's crazy.
1 minute to go now. Lead with the US existing home sales.
Market kind of slow today. Not really. No, I think this is kind of normal actually. We're not even 7 a.m. yet.
Seconds. Four spot 1 million, 4 spot 1
Damn.
million higher than forecast, or 4 spot 0.
Could have targeted the lows here.
4 million from the
It
original
would have been
high,
sick.
or 4 spot 02 million. US existing home sales change 3 spot 2%, 3 spot 2%.
Yeah, we might just be going for the London lows here down at 29,566. Yo, what up? What up, Jip Smith? How you doing? Dude. And here's the sweep of lows. Dang, that could have been an instant TP. I'm not even gonna lie. That would have been a massive trade. 150 points. Let's chill. We got one. We just gotta stay patient for the next ones. Damn, an inversion off of this would be crazy. Oh, I might have to take this if this... Will this inverse? It's just too much risk to copy trade all 16 accounts. Every time I tried it, it doesn't work out unless I'm like really dialed in. And I have not been really dialed in lately, so I'm just avoiding it. I'll keep down. No, it's just gonna go without me. Damn. It was right off VWAP too. Just don't want to risk that much.
Order canceled.
But yeah, when you have a lot of risk on the table, you start like kind of stressing a lot, and I don't know, it was not good for me. So I just kind of just copy a few of them, probably capping out at like 5 copy traded at a time. I do want to take this, but kind of spooked at the same time. Like if I were to long this, my risk would be what? 40? And my target would be like 80 something. It'd be a nice 2 to 1, but man, I don't know why something tells me this ain't it. So I'll just trust my gut. Or I could go into 1 micro. When you start stream giveaways, I probably wouldn't do stream giveaways until I had a lot more viewers, and thank goodness I followed I followed my gut. Holy. I would definitely need a lot more viewers before I start doing stream giveaways, like concurrent ones. Otherwise, I would just be giving away accounts to the same 3 people. Now this, on the other hand, if we can pull back here. There's still liquidity on the bottom that I kind of want to see swept. Let's see. No, we're not going to get this inversion. Oh, that would have stopped me out though, so that was a good call.
Order submitted.
Damn, really? No top wick for me?
Order canceled.
I don't want to see that. Nah, man, I don't think I have it in me to mentor any other students right now. If I ever opens up, it'll be part of like giveaways or something, but I don't think I could take on more students right now. I also just like don't really have much to teach. I don't know, it's like my strategies are all given out in my Discord, and if anybody were to have any like psychology related questions, you could just ask me anyways and I'd probably answer you, so it's like I don't really know. I just feel like people are just too afraid to just ask me questions. That's what it feels like. You lost one account that was close to passing? Damn, sorry bro. It literally is the worst fucking feeling ever when you lose an account that was almost passed. Dang, now I want to take this. Oh. It's kind of yucky though. Ooh. Yeah, it's kind of like, I just wanted to see it like break out some. If we can close below VWAP, that might be my indicator. But yeah, it's always a little sucky to lose an account that's almost passed. Happens to me a lot. But yeah, that's kind of why I've just been sticking to one session lately. Every time I try to like diversify my sessions, it just never goes well, so yeah. Just gotta hold it to one session. It's honestly, if there's any one of you who are like beginners and want to become profitable, that is the key. You just gotta stick to one session, one ticker. I think I'm gonna take this, especially now that we have new highs here. Going for the resweep of the lows. That is probably the fastest way to becoming profitable, is just picking the one session, one time frame, and then locking it in on that one session, one time frame. We reswept these lows. I'm gonna go break even here. I'd expect a pretty quick and sharp fall down. I am on intraday trailing accounts, which kind of suck if this comes back to break even. That's like minus $80 drawdown.
Stop it.
Damn. Oh, sucks. It's really just gonna come back to take me out and then go? Are you serious? Bruh, I only trade MNQ. London and New York only? Yeah, I would just try to stick that to either London or New York. There's no way, bruh. I lost a little bit of drawdown there. Damn. Actually, I might not have lost any drawdown because I was already like minus $70 in drawdown, so it's kind of chill. It's cool. At least I went break even. But yeah, I think live, yeah, no, of course live mentorship will have more impact than pre-recorded videos, but I don't know, either my idea of a mentorship is off or something, but I just feel like you could probably like find like I think if you just have someone to ask for all of the psychology issues, you could definitely what am I saying? You could definitely get like the most of the benefits of a mentorship is more psychology than it is trading. Oh, now it's gonna smack it. Unlucky. That's tough. No, I'm looking for shorts right now. Damn. Smacked it on NQ. This got swept on NQ already. Man, this sucks. Like, absolutely sucks. I think if we could go down to London lows here easily. Damn, I just entered one candle too early. That's it. Yeah, we have liquidity at 29,566, which we were right about to strike. Damn, that's tough. That is tough. Use the sweep. Boom. There's the LRLR sweep. Highly unfortunate. I've been trying to stick to micros, usually around like 2 to 5 micros. Damn, that's so fucking sad, bro. Dynamis, what up? You couldn't move your take profit further? Damn. Dude, my entry up here would have been perfect. Hindsight, of course. Damn, sorry, bro. It's kind of hard. Like, even this entry right here, I definitely would have just wanted to see it just flush down, but had to come pull back first. Dang nabbit. Now it's gonna be kind of hard to get an entry here. If I ever do minis, it's usually on an eval. Fuck. I want to take this, but it just feels like chasing at this point, so I'm just gonna chill. Yeah. That's why I just been trying to take things slow. I realize that when I'm on micros, I'm actually a lot less emotional. And I'm not afraid to like just take the YOLO trades that I would be like, oh, this is actually kind of a good setup, and then yeah. Like on one micro I'd be willing to take anything. Just because I know my losses are very controlled. Damn. Dude, this sucks, man. I could have taken the break below. Dude, my levels are so different compared to TradingView. Why is that? Like on TradingView, my VWAP is up here, but my VWAPs are like down here. Let me see, indicators are here. Calculate on bar close. What is... Holy shit, we are just dumping. Label price input status line inputs anchor period session. It doesn't say, but damn. Oh, how unfortunate. I think this, I need to figure out why this is like, might be my maximum bars look back. Infinite? No, because that's still different. On. Nope. Is it just possible that it's just the difference between... Oh wait. Oh no, this is right now. So I just need to change it on this one. Oh my god. Alright, because now this matches my trading view. So how do I... What did I just do? US extended trading hours. Oh my god, that's all I had to do? Bruh. Wait. No, that's wrong. Alright? Because VWAP is down here. What is going on, bro? On bar close 256. What if I did this? Nope, it's still wrong. Am I just missing out the dump of a lifetime because I'm trying to figure out why my fucking VWAP indicator? Oh yeah, I'm just missing out on a dump on a lifetime. Whatever. Can't really help it at this point. I don't even have an entry here. I don't understand. Yeah, I am multi-streaming. SIBO. This just makes it the same as extended. Still wrong. But I do think it has to do with my CME US industry index extended. Whatever, this is as good as it's gonna get. I'm just, oh my god, I literally missed out on a massive banger of a trade, didn't I? Holy, I literally just missed it dropping like 6 million points. Whatever. Well, I don't even have an entry. But yeah, I was gonna take it here and just, in that 5-minute time span, it drops 150 points. Gosh dang. Holy crap. The ES is like literally perfectly lined up with one of my levels. If I were to pull it up, look at this break. I think you should be able to see it. Look at this break on ES. Breaking this level right here, break below VWAP, and it just dumps. The power of levels. If only I was a better trader. Let's see how this closes. Dude, that's so unfortunate. I mean, Asia low is below us too, and we have... Dude, this is like... Oh my god, shorting down here is like crazy, no? Asia low at 303 basically just gave back the whole overnight pump. How long did it take you to visit? What do you mean visit? What did I visit? That's the crazy thing. I had a glorious entry here. Oh, become profitable. I think it took me like 6 months. I think I started in March of 2024, and then I was profitable August or September of that same year. I'm gonna try this. And then have this down here. Asia low is at 303. So yeah, like 5 or 6 months to become profitable, which I can acknowledge. Full-time from starting. I wasn't a full-time trader, I was always a part-time trader, and I still am a part-time trader. I do not have what it takes to go full-time in trading yet. Too emotional still, too unpredictable. It's kind of wild how I'm an engineer. Technically speaking, I cure cancer for a living, so yeah. I make cancer therapy. Yeah, it's gonna stop me out. No big deal. Alright, strategy says if this inverses, I gotta take it, so...
Order submitted.
Have it at the... relative equal highs. Ain't no way it just comes back on me. Damn, this is a massive stop loss. This is like 51 points. But yeah, I do cancer therapy as my full-time job. And damn, bro. Not trying to be nice to me. Nice. If I can flip above, I'll take the BE stops. There we go. We're hitting resistance here, so I would want to be break even. And if we blow past it, that's a different story. I'm gonna take that at 36. Unless we just zoom straight to TP. I have to trail really tight. Just because the nature of, whatever. No! The, the, the FDA knows what we do. The US government knows what we do. We do cure a really rare type of cancer. They know about us. Is that 37 points? Yeah, it's all legal. We are the first of its kind FDA approved CAR T therapy. You could probably figure out where I work from that. Damn, look at that. To the tick. And then up 40 points. That's 40 points? Holy moly. Yeah, US based. Dang, I'm kind of sad that I missed this whole move because of a stop out right here. Would have been massive dubs. Hey, but low-key we cooking today, gang. We cooking. You know what I'm saying? We cooking today. Oh, take this 1 minute inversion back down for Asia lows. Damn. I'm earning pretty well, but I don't know. I don't think you could ever say no to more money, especially when it's something you already love doing. I loved trading before this, like investing, so day trading was just something that I never really considered, and I didn't even know like prop firms existed. And so when my friend was like, oh, you can risk like a small amount of money and get the joys of day trading, I was hooked. That was pretty much why. It also gives me something to do in the morning. And if I can make money doing it, it's like, what else is there? What else can you ask for as a man's? You know? It's like as good as life gets. You get to chill on a computer for a couple of days, make some shmonies. Yeah, exactly. But that was largely my motivation. It was just for fun. And then it became a lot more. I'm gonna take
Order
this.
submitted.
I don't want this to re-break the highs here though. Nice. Taking that.
Stop failed.
Taking that instant 20 points. Was that 58 to 37? Yeah, that was instant 20 points. I am just subscribed. Hey, appreciate you, Online Hub. If you guys haven't already, I do have giveaways currently live on my Instagram and my Discord. So, yeah. Yup. Had the same trade off. The 2 min was the fastest TP I've had in a while. Appreciate it, bro. Welcome to the channel. I do want to figure out why this VWAP is a little different. Damn. There is another instant TP. Ah! Sorry, I cannot gift you a free Flex account right now. The only ones I have are for a giveaway. You're in Discord, but you can't write it, dude. You have to verify yourself first. So there's a channel called #verification. You do have to click the green verify button before you're allowed into the Discord. I see your name. Here, I'll just give you the role, verified. You can get out of jail. You should be good now. It's just to prevent bots from flooding the server. I had to do it. 58 down to here. That's been like 100 plus. I just auto verified you, so you should be good now. Damn, it's low-key a dub right there, gang. Hey man, I got a total of 5 accounts to give away for the Instagram, so there is a lot of opportunity. Wow, what a fucking candle. Damn, what a candle. Damn, we've already dropped 400 points today. That's insane. Are we milking? What up, Zuki? Kinda. I don't know if you consider this milking. It's just like getting our little piece of the pie, you know what I mean? I don't know if I call this milking, but we got some milk. Need to touch that VWAP? Dude, VWAP's far. VWAP fucking far, gang. Dude, I'm so annoyed why this... I don't understand why my VWAP is reset interval session. Standard. Order flow VWAP. Infinite. Bar look back on bar close. I don't know why it's messed up. Maybe I need to ask. Yo, what up? I'd be walking with a little more pep in My step after full TP, no lie. Can't you reset it? I can, but I don't think I need to, cause like even right now, the VWAP starts from session open, so it's like I'm not sure why it's off. So like it's using the same data as my alpha taking forever with my funded. Man, what a two business. I thought alpha futures was instant. From what I recall, alpha futures upgrades are instant. You just gotta do it through the dash. No? Dude, I want alpha to give me my code Danzier. But I won't do it until I make some sales, unfortunately. Dang it. Not price change each tick. Not tick based. It is just on bar. I don't understand. CME US futures extended trading hour. That's the one. Reset interval session resolution standard. What if I change this to tick? Oh shit. Standard. Never mind. Give it back. Give it back. I don't know. Maybe it's just something wrong that I can't see. Oh, I'll just verify it later. I missed a banger because of it. Dang it. You had to pay 149, so it sounds like you were on their pro account or their not their zero or their yeah, it's probably their pro account, right? Because I think the only two accounts that they have that don't have activation fee are the premium plan and the zero plan. And then ETH VWAP is at 578, so that's the same one as mine. Huh. Interesting. Maybe my trading view is wrong. Back and forth keep me. Oh, I forgot the premium plan does have an activation fee unless you. Oh, that sucks. I'm so sorry, bro. That's actually diabolical. Oh my god. I started trading almost a year. I've improved a lot, but so hey, if over leveraging is your issue, just size down. That's a simple issue, bro. You just gotta size down and try your best to hold for a lot bigger moves. It's kind of what I'm doing right now. The best and cheapest prop is definitely Lucid Trading. With my code DANZIER, you can get 50% off and a 50K flex account with no activation fee is $70 one-time payment. No renewal fees, take as long as you want to pass the evaluation for $70. And I think the 25K account is like 50 bucks. So interesting. Wait, is this 89 and this is at 74? My trading view is on like 25,589. But Ninja is 29,576. I am just joined your Discord and you sent a verification message. Oh, you're good. As long as you click to that green button in the channel verification, you're good. It will verify you and then you should be good to go. What up, what up? You don't have to type hashtag verification. All you have to do is, there's like a channel. It's in the welcome tab, but yeah, you did it. Otherwise you wouldn't have been able to see that chat. Are we just gonna chop around here at 740? Just gonna chop, little chop never hurt, you know what I'm saying? Little chop, little chop. Just no if I got this win right here, I could have taken this long on my Tradeifys and then I would have been green across the board. But you know, it just had to come stop me out. I should have just waited till the break of these lows and then just see how much further it would have taken me. Lokin, you and Lee. But yeah, the giveaway is in the hashtag giveaways channel. Currently there is, what is that, 326 members. And I will draw the winner from my Instagram giveaway after this stream. Bella Boy. Admiral supporters. Got you, bro. Appreciate you supporting. W's. W's. Yeah, I mean, market's just chopping up around here, so if it doesn't move much, I'm just gonna call it a day. Tradeify also does not have a whatchamacallit, does not have a like 30-day renewal fee. It's just one-time payment, so it's chilling. Looks like 27,600. I don't know. Oh no, 4 hour. Damn, bro, you deep. Looks like we could break lower. I don't know. Looks like we want to break lower for show. We just rejected off a 4 hour. Send me down to earth, bro. I want to see us sweep. Like honestly, a higher time frame sweep at 28,672 would be absolutely a dream come true for me. If we can get that sweep, it would just be glorious. Maybe this is the next leg right here. I haven't really traveled to many places, mostly just like China and other states, other cities in the US. I haven't really explored much beyond that. Hey, Patty. SMTs, give me a second. I might have a position here. Damn, this already. Fuck. I think I'm gonna take it on these. gonna break even quite fast here. 307.
Target filled.
Hey, we are kind of on fire today, gang. Just gotta react to the post in hashtag giveaway. Hey, yo, gang, we kind of on fire. Low key. The micro warrior comes back. But SMT, what is a great way to explain it? So let me get this into frame. One. So like here, this is a great example of SMT right here, right? So if NQ were to reverse right here, like you see how NQ has swept the lows, these lows right here, all these lows from made during Asia. If you were to go to the ES chart, oh man, I don't have ES pulled up. That's crazy. ES. And okay. Here's the ES chart, right? ES hasn't swept it yet. So these lows down here are still not swept. So if we were to reverse here, that would be considered a bullish SMT or for ES because NQ swept the lows, but ES didn't. It's easier to see when it like rejects. So it's like, technically this is a bearish SMT on NQ right now because NQ is breaking down lower and ES has not cleared these levels, but ES is about to clear these levels. They're gonna hold this for a minute, bruh. Holy dumperge. It was funny, I was like, we might not get another trade, and then a perfect little short never hurt anybody. A perfect little toe short. That was an instant TP too. What was that? 345 to, what is that? 307, so 38 points. Damn, dog. But now entering down here is kind of freaky. Now this is kind of freaky. This is like really freaky. But like that was like a textbook play. Damn. Nice. Yo, we kind of killing it, gang. This is just with like 1 to 2 micros too, so it's like, sheesh. It's always the I shoulda held. 350, so we're down almost 180. Holy fuck, we're down so much. Jeez. Oh my god. Dude, these are glorious days to be trading. Holy. And then we're literally bottom ticking another level that I had right here. I didn't think we were gonna go down this far. 29,128. Had another level right here. Sheesh. Do red and dash, fly, okay. 28,928. Dude, are we serious right now? Are we just gonna just dump? Like what in the world? Holy smokes. I know, we were just here and then now we broke another level, another Holy crap. How many points is this? That was 30 points? Holy fuck. This is insane. Like, this is insane, PA. That was like another leg. I've been dreaming of days like this, bro. Like, dead ass, just dreaming. Dude, I want to just take a micro here and see if I can come all, if it comes all the way down, but so risky. Oh my days. No, it's down 5. Oh my god. If I was trading like I was back in the day, I think each account would be up like a K right now. Ah. Damn. Market is literally crashing, bro. Damn. Couldn't have asked for this. Honestly, this price action is absolutely beautiful. I'm not even gonna lie. It's like absolutely beautiful price action. Oh my gosh. Why do they keep getting rejected? Dang, we got a 1 minute inversion. Ain't no way I'm taking those though. It's too spooky. Way too spooky. Do we have something on the weekly chart? Oh, we got a gap, gang. We got a gap. Dude, if this is a top wick, that'd be insane. Oh my god, are we really gonna do this? If we re-break this, I might enter shorts again. Holy fuck, this is a massive stop though. We'd have to close below my level. Oh my god, we're gonna do it. No, we're not. Okay. Woo! Woo! Okay, we held. And I was going for Asia lows, and we literally sniped another 180 points after. That's crazy. Watch this run all the way back up. That'd be crazy. What's the mask risk you take on evals? I mean, with the way I currently trade, it's anywhere from like $300 to $600. Launch it all the way back up. A V-shape would be crazy. Yeah, on a 50k eval. Actually, yeah, it's like anywhere from like 200 to 600. It just really depends on the setup and how confident I am. If I'm really confident in it, I'll risk a lot more to try to make it, to try to pass the eval faster. It's all good, all good. Just a small paper cut. Important part is you stuck to the plan. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here. I just, unless, oh man, why? Why? Another leg? Oh no, I don't know if I can handle another leg. Oh god. Damn, that is 80 points. Holy fuck, dude.
Order submitted.
Dude, these are massive stops. These are like actually huge candles. Ain't no way, bro. Oh, it didn't even copy trade. Oh, no. Damn, bro. Oh, I guess that's kind of a good thing, eh? Should I try to DCA my way back on this? No? Oh, I guess it's better that it didn't copy trade, but damn. That's absolutely astonishing. I know, the no copy trade. Alright, bet. Let's try to get this back to BE. Don't do it. Come down. Come down. Come down!
Stop failed.
Oh man, now I'm gonna be fighting to get this back. But if I lose one, it's chill. Dang it. Fuck. Dude, that was a 60-point jump back up. Holy fuck. Jeez. Insane. And it's still going. Holy fuck. Come down. Give me a little bottom wick.
Order submitted.
I just need to go to 80. Damn, this kind of sucks. I might blow this account. Like, genuinely. Now I'm just gonna be trolling around here trying to get this back to break even. No. Ah. No, for real edged. Like for real, for real. Hey, unless I can just hit this shit right here. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Straight to TP. You could do it. Don't you freaking dare come back. That was such a strong candle. What do you mean? No. No. Damn. If I had sized heavier, that would have been chill. Don't tell me. How many points did I have there? 17 and it came up to 56. I went 40 points. Bruh. Ain't no way it came down just to tap me out.
Order submitted.
Oh my god, wait, that would have been... I genuinely might blow this account now, damn it.
Order submitted.
Damn.
Stop failed.
Why does it do this to me? Probably easier on NQ.
Order submitted. Stop failed.
Damn, I think I had it. I think I did have it right there. I actually did have it right there, damn. Can I edit this? I just want 40 to... Ugh. I had it, damn.
Order submitted.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way.
Order submitted.
Oh, I'm actually about to blow this. Oh no. What was I thinking?
Order canceled.
That's crazy. Oh, I literally had it. Oh, if it top ticks me and then comes back down, I'm gonna be a little sad, I'm not gonna lie. That's kind of unfortunate. Damn. It literally top ticked me. And then came all the way back. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. That is actually crazy. Why did it have to do this to me? Bro, there's no way. There's no way, dude. Ah. Oh, well. That's awkward. Alright, well, I'm gonna end it there. I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace. That was